Hello, friend Mormo here. Today we're talking about Halloween sound effects. Boo! That is one nifty little term that'll never be played out. Say it on Halloween, say it while leaping out of the closet at your grandma. Heck, say it to your boss when he least expects it. Ha, now that would be priceless. Scream it in his face like a true ghost would. Okay, you realize I'm only joking here, right? I don't really expect you to start shouting boo in your supervisor's face. In fact, I don't think I would recommend it at all. Anyway, about those wonderful and classic Halloween sound effects. Can you really do without these on Halloween anymore? Of course not. They have become a contemporary imperative, almost as crucial as the costume and the candy. Never forget that Halloween is about scaring kids. I prefer to crank up the Halloween sound effects each and every year so that the entire neighborhood can hear them. I want my whole block twitching and glancing about like paranoid nutcases. I want the parents shaking in their boots and the children clenching their daddy's hand. Basically, I want them to appreciate Halloween, but on a more twisted level. Okay, I'm starting to sound like a madman. Don't get me wrong here. Halloween is an incomparable night when all is suddenly possible. Break out the Ouija boards and put on the Halloween sound effects. It's time to conjure some horrifying spirits. Maybe we can get Manson on the line. Oops, there I go again. No, but really, this fun and exciting night is about candy, friendly gags, and frolicking with friends. It's a night where you can enjoy wearing someone or something else's skin. It's just so cool if you give it some thought. Pretend until your little heart is content. Gobble down chocolate until you bust. This is what it's all about. So, have you gotten the house decorated yet and the Halloween sound effects in place for the trick or treaters? If your answer is no, then I highly suggest you get on the ball, my friend. All Hallows Eve is almost here. You want to be ready for those little hands start rapping on your door. Give all those excited children a good show when they hit up your home for candy and treats. Get into the spirit of Halloween with scary decorations and Halloween sound effects. And thanks so much for watching. Please thumbs up or thumbs down, comment, subscribe, share, and click the link in the description to get a free movie. Thanks so much.